Let us see that question that I was asking. A sphere at temperature 600 Kelvin is placed in an environment of temperature 200 Kelvin. Its cooling rate is H. If its temperature reduces to 400 Kelvin, then cooling rate in the same environment will become. यहां दो बातें ध्यान रखना चाहिए. आपने कूलिंग रेट के लिए न्यूटन्स लॉ ऑफ कूलिंग पढ़ा होगा. Cooling rate according to Newton's law is proportional to temperature difference. But this temperature difference should be very low, like 5 to 10 degrees Celsius, not so much high. In this case, cooling rate is given by the fundamental law, that is the Stephen's law. And this will be sigma A T 1 to the power 4, जैसा कि मैंने लिखा था, minus T naught, that is temperature of our environment, to the power 4. So in this case, cooling rate, I will say, suppose C1 upon C2 will be T1 to the power 4 minus T naught to the power 4 upon T2 to the power 4 minus T naught to the power 4. Sigma A cancel हो जाएगा यहाँ पर. C is the cooling rate I am taking. T1 to the power 4, that means 600 to the power 4. Minus environment temperature is 200 to the power 4 divided by 400. Now the second time temperature becomes 400 Kelvin. अगर टेम्परेचर 400 Kelvin है तो यहां पर 400 होगा और environment temperature तो ऑलरेडी 200 Kelvin है, to the power 4. Simplifying this, अगर सारे जीरोस यहां से कैंसिल हो जाएंगे, 6 to the power 4 हो जाएगा ये, minus 2 to the power 4. 6 to the power 4 minus 2 to the power 4 divided by 4 to the power 4 minus 2 to the power 4. This is how much? 6 into 6 is 36. 36 square is 1296 minus 2 to the power 4, that is 16, divided by 4 to the power 4, that is 16 square, that is 256. 4 to the power 4 is 256 minus 16. C1 upon C2 is, C1 को यदि आप H ले रहे हैं तो you have to find C2 basically. In terms of H we have to find. This is 1280 divided by 1280 divided by 240. 1280 divided by 240. C2 is simply 00 कैंसिल हो जाएगा यहां से. C2 क्या हो जाएगा? C2 हो जाएगा H into 24 upon 128. और सिंप्लीफाई करते हैं इसे आप डिवाइड कर सकते हैं 2 से, इनफैक्ट 4 से भी डिवाइड कर सकते हैं. 4 से डिवाइड करते हैं तो ये हो जाएगा 6, 4 से डिवाइड करते हैं तो ये हो जाएगा 3 into 2. अब और 2 से डिवाइड करते हैं, ये हो जाएगा 3, 2 से डिवाइड करते हैं 16. 3 by 16 must be the answer. 3 by 16 H is the answer. So this is the way to do these problems. Let us see next